Disclaimer. All individuals featured in my Roblox videos have been age verified and are 18 plus or older. These sessions take place on private servers and are not open to the public. Participation is by invitation only and no minors are involved in the gameplay or content creation. This ensures a controlled, safe, and adult experience within the Roblox platform.
Okay. Y'all think we're gonna make it to a day 3? Oh my. Go change now. Go change. Go change. Go change. Stop running around.
This is a court of law.
Right.
What the hell are you wearing?
Why do you act like that? Stop.
Stop following me.
Oh my God.
Change your clothes.
Get off my head.
Change your clothes.
I know we want to be here.
You have to be
Why
here.
can't I wait? Why
You're
can't I
gonna be
wait
jury.
for
Sit down.
Dean, don't enable that.
Oh
dear.
Hello, Yuji. Are you excited to win today?
I'm a witness.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, I love my
No,
eyes.
just wait.
I've been
Who's
having snotty
stinky?
problems.
Who's stinky?
Get on my face.
Get
Get on my face. Because you just
I
get
use
out my
purple Chanel
face.
every single day.
Jury
So.
starting.
Okay, but what you gonna do?
I love
Okay.
this outfit.
I know
Chat,
those
y'all want to see somebody
You look
disappear?
amazing, Yuji. You look
Is that a
amazing.
collar?
You want to see you disappear?
Trench coat is really selling it. That's exactly why we're gonna win, because of how professional we
Mind you, in a
look.
court office.
Ew! Stop! Come on, stop! Stop!
That's
That's
the weirdest I've
nasty.
ever seen in my life.
Oh.
You're
That's
supposed to be a
nasty.
criminal
Really
witness
nasty.
today,
You give
and this is
Libras a
how you
bad
show up to
reputation.
court.
Sloppy, your
Come with me
nose
for a
is
second.
strong.
Come on, the
Sloppy.
courtroom
With
I
me
don't
for a
smells.
second.
that's not a
Smells.
professional
Come here.
outfit.
Oh my
Where's
goodness.
Febreze? Who has the Febreze?
But he knows they're not supposed to be wearing that.
Really, really.
Like, this
That's
is
not a
court.
professional
The way
not
that
Forever
everybody's
21.
blonde.
Well,
Oh my!
because,
I just,
blondes do it better,
I just
Wow.
attract
Yeah.
all blonde people.
That's how you get your best representation.
I was
Who said you? Who said that? Nobody said you was judge. Nobody said you was judge. Nobody said you was judge.
I think
What's
Azul
your-
said Dallas could start.
You're gonna be judge until Azul comes. Azul's gonna be the judge. He's just late and he's choosing his job.
So what you're gonna do is
Hold on. Because you know Azul's not gonna be here in time.
Azul's gonna be here in 15 minutes. He said.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so let's start right now.
Don't do it.
Smile.
No!
We no longer
Stop!
require
Are you
as a
serious?
witness. You can go. Thank you.
Bro,
You are no longer needed
Smile.
to question.
Ew.
You're done.
Oh my
God.
god.
Please do not
Oh
talk
my
to me.
god.
Thank you.
Why would you just stick
Put her in the
Is
asylum.
that Sillie's mother? Oh dear.
Hold on. Somebody get the Lysol. Get the Lysol.
No,
It's
It's the way the chat's telling you how she smells.
Like you actually mean
Oh
business.
my
Sit
God.
Do you
Hi,
see the mark? Do you
Mildred.
see that mark on there?
For
Ooh.
now. Thank you.
How you doing today?
Yep.
I'm
Sit.
Good
I'm here in my
afternoon,
seat.
Miss
Can you
Ella.
please
Hold
not
on.
stand
Why
on
would
my
you
head
wear
to
a
shine?
jacket that's the same
yesterday.
complexion as you?
And then you disappeared and it became my
Wait,
seat.
is it
Deshaun,
really?
sit in your
Look
chair.
at stream.
Sucks
You look the
Yeah.
same.
No, you're in my seat. You're in my seat. Thank you.
Children,
Go sit
I
down.
hope you're ready to win.
Tappy, it's your decision if you want Deshaun to be your lawyer. You can
Deshaun.
fire Deshaun at any moment because they're the worst legal counsel I've ever seen in my life.
Today, we
That
will
part.
win. And today,
I'm stuck in the chair.
Thank you.
I'm kidding. I'm
Sorry, guys.
I was actually stuck in
Oh.
the chair. I was like, oh my god.
We're trying to win this case, Deshaun, right?
in every universe. Lee, how do you make your head?
You gotta change.
Oh
Tappy.
You gotta change.
no, Miss Ella, please.
You
Miss
gotta
Ella,
change.
please. This is our witness.
What's wrong with
This is our
her? What's wrong with
witness.
her?
Why are you big?
Rage bait.
That's what she
It is
wears.
extremely professional. Please.
It's giving
How is this professional?
But they're coming.
Mom, don't.
It is
Oh
very-
gosh, this is my court outfit.
It's okay, Miss Mildred. It's okay, Miss Mildred.
You want me to tell people or you want me to know?
Yeah, you can tell people.
Chat.
Okay.
Chat, I want y'all. Listen, hold on, guys. Be quiet, be quiet, guys. This is Sillie's real mom.
Oh my god.
What kind of mom?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
A millennial.
Wait.
A millennial mom.
Actual
I'm wearing a
mother,
hat.
like, this is Mildred's actual mother.
Why'd you make your mom wear that? Why'd you make your mom wear that? But you know this is inappropriate.
I had to be fancy. I had to wear my fancy
Mildred, you look
clothes.
beautiful.
Just like their last name.
Look at
Thank you,
Mildred.
darling.
You look amazing, Mom. This
You look really good.
Thank you, daughter. I love you. I love you, darling.
You look really
We're
good.
gonna win this for your daughter. We're gonna win.
All right, sit down, because you got court. This is serious now. This is serious.
I already sent those.
Sit down. You stink, Dallas. Sit down.
The adult entertainment.
What the?
Also, Sillie's mom's a
Okay, I
Pisces.
think we should start
It's a
with
good
Mildred.
connection.
I think we should start with Mildred.
That's Sillie's mom.
That's her real mom. That's her real mom. Her mom's a millennial, guys. Come on. Yeah. You want me to hit her?
You see her?
What?
You see how
She
her
big
mom
just like her
came in?
mama.
She big just like her mama. Oh. Her mama. Oh.
And then why would she wear that?
Her mama.
Why would
She
she wear
dressed
that?
just like Smile.
Right? That's exactly where she went in. That's nasty. Mind you, that's her mother. That's her mother. And she wanna dress like that. It's inappropriate.
That
In
tells
court.
me a lot. It tells me a lot.
It
In
tells me,
court.
but now it makes sense the way she is, You know when she running her
Look, you know-
mouth. Mhm.
She came in here like she know it's cold. She knows it's cold. It's cold. No jacket, no nothing.
It's
like,
too thin. It's too thin, and it's all this. But you know. But I have a feeling Silly helped her with that wardrobe.
right. I don't know. She came in here like she's used to this. This ain't our first rodeo.
We gonna see. We gonna see what's up.
Mildred, are you very
I
excited?
I will
for
say
your
though,
mother?
Silly, your mother's outfit is inappropriate. Okay? That's you,
most clothes she's worn in her whole life.
The video looks good.
ma'am.
I actually put on the hat for court. Do you want me to take my hat off?
No! What is like
I'm
coming
so
to?
dressed up for here. People are telling me that I shouldn't have worn the hat. I'm sorry I wore a hat.
Mildred, tell your mother it's okay.
Come on, please.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right, everybody. Court's about to start. Hold on. Oh my God. Okay, we need people to fill up these seats, though. All right, so we need jury. I'm gonna spam the Discord. So you guys,
Right, get your
I'm
asses
gonna
up.
cry. I'm gonna cry.
Spam the Discord.
all right. I know it's because I'm early. I know I'm early.
Big Google Gaga.
Get down, cause I'm gonna clothesline you in 4 seconds. Sit down.
Cry.
Sit down.
Remember, LA, you can fire him whenever you want.
Actually, you're fired. Thank you. Thank you. Get out.
Oh,
Next.
well, goodbye, Deshaun.
Get out. Go. Your jury. Your jury. Go. Your jury. Sloppy's taking in your spot. You don't do nothing. You don't do nothing. You don't do nothing.
Well, they were arguing
Don't see
yesterday.
Tappy. We got this still. It's all right.
Tappy, do you want
Well,
Deshaun
you'll
as
be
your
at the
lawyer?
jury.
Happy, we're gonna.
Why are you talking to you
Let me. Is my outfit pink?
You guys want to be
You see how the defendant switched the eye to the left.
I don't know. Is it white?
Very suspicious. Very weird.
Oh, it's pink. It's pink.
If my outfit is pink, then she probably needs to be jury.
Okay, your jury. Get out now. Get out.
Oh, Tap.
Well,
Yeah, you're fired. You lost your
It
job.
was for the
All
best.
right, if you want to sit out there, that's fine. You're just mad because you lost your job. You lost your job.
Doing a 360 around us.
All right, I feel more confident.
Ella.
we got this.
What?
And, we're gonna work together. We got this together. You know?
What?
This was for the best.
What?
But I thought you loved your cousin.
Chad, look
She
at
get bigger?
It's kind of unfortunate when you think about it.
Oh my God.
They didn't do
It's also
anything.
getting it.
All right. Settle down. We need 4 more people. Who wants in the chat? Who wants to be jury? I will say if you got a bad mic, I'ma ban you. So don't do that. Okay?
Ban him.
I need.
Now we need
If I come
3.
in as my bean Sona, does that
Oh,
count
we
as
need 3
another
more.
person?
No.
Smile, can you sit? Smile, you're not a witness. Wait, is Cara a witness
Well,
for
he
you?
is.
He is?
Are you guys going
Okay.
to start? Or
He is,
Cara, you're a
yes.
witness as well?
You're gonna start?
Is that? Did we leave off the
ma'am.
other
Okay,
day? We were gonna
Dallas,
call
your
it a
jury.
witness.
Go sit down.
No.
Yeah,
Yes,
you
the
guys
Zul's
will
here.
do this
And you
first,
stink. You made the chair
and
stink.
then
Get
we'll
out.
call our witness after you.
Oh my fucking God, I didn't even fucking say anything to you. What the fuck? Fuck you. Y'all, that's really Sillie's mom. You're pissing me off though. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time meeting you, and I cannot believe she put that fucking outfit on you. That shit's getting me. Hold on, let me see from the side. Yo, she really, oh my fucking god, oh my god, and the fact that she's a Pisces, that is enraging me so much. Cause why are you sitting here bare ass in my court? How is this? Why would you wear this to court? Why would you wear this to court? It's this. They got the same thing. Guys, I met Smile's mom and I met Sillie's mom. I met Shantae's grandparents and mom, all in the Discord. Oh my god, that's her real mom, y'all. Her real mom. She made the account for her mom. But y'all gotta remember, her mom's a millennial. Let her have fun. I really appreciate you bringing her in, though. That's so fun. And I also feel like the reason why I wanted her to also come in, it's a good thing for your daughter. Like, at least your mom can actually see, like, some humor in this and, like, have fun with you. Can y'all imagine your mom doing this with you? Like, Silly, you got a cool-ass mom. You got a cool-ass mom. Like, the fact that you're able to do something like that, and it's a good memory. Like, oh my god, remember this one time we joined the streamer shit? I could never bring my mother in this bitch. Hell no, she'd get canceled tonight. The shit she would tell everybody, I'm too scared of what my mom would say. Yeah, my mom's Gen X. My mom's in her 50s. But I actually like that. Smile's mom wants to join too. Smile's mom. We should do. Can I be honest with y'all? Now what I'm thinking, maybe we should bring back Dance Academy and really get the real moms for the Ivy leaders. Yo, that would actually be so funny. The way that they would be cheering on their child. Oh my god. That'd be so fucking funny. I might do that. That's actually funny as fuck. Remember guys, I got VC'd. I'm sorry. My Gen X mom. Who has a Gen X mom in the chat? Who has a Gen X mom? Oh my god, we're almost at 180 units sold for the plushie. Yeah, so if you have a Gen X mom, it's a little harder. I wouldn't say my mom wouldn't do it. She would do it if I told her to, but I'm just scared of what she would say. What year is Gen X? It's probably like the 1950s, 1960s, 1940s, I don't know. 1950s or 1960s. My mom was born 1967. So. I want Sillie's mom to come in more. I would love for her to work at the hospital. Sillie, you should make your mom like Sillie, I fuck with Sillie so much, bro. I'm telling you, she is amazing. I'm so happy I met Sillie. She hit me up today. She's like, "Can I let my mom come play with us?" I was laughing the whole time. I'm like, okay. That's no problem. Hold on, we got one more minute and then we'll be able to join back in. I got VC'd. My mom likes to drink. I'm so sorry. That is not funny. Let her come in with a few drinks. Those are my favorite parents. Get crazy. Turn up. Oh my god. I love when y'all tell me shit like that. It's the funny thing is Beans said it, the count named Beans, and they didn't put like a laughing emoji. There was nothing, it was really serious, so oh my god, y'all funny as shit. Y'all need to be comedians. Okay.
Wait, we'll talk about it when we get there.
Okay.
You're always confused. Get the hell up.
All right. All right.
There's something.
No, what are you doing? Yo, move around. Move around. Move around. Move around.
Hello, I'm about to hold Smile in contempt of court.
No, you're about to go to jail.
It
It's
smells
prison.
disgusting up there.
It's like a microwave.
It's smuggy in here. It's muggy, right?
Isn't
this technically assault?
You don't see the brown and the yellow.
You
said she was like a
Smile.
microwave.
I will make sure you're not a witness or a part of this if you continue on. So either you sit down and cooperate or you're done.
I'll be the bailiff. Azul, I'll be the bailiff.
All right, you gotta introduce you gotta put on an outfit. Where the fact that Jay and
I'll be
Voxel,
right back. I'll be right
Dylan,
back.
are you a witness? There's going to be 2 witnesses. No.
He is.
All right, so then you gotta choose out of the 2.
I don't think we.
It's been figured
I don't
out
think we need
already.
Smile
I
as
was
a
about to
witness,
say, we already
right?
told Smile to go.
All right, Smile,
Yeah,
go sit
Smile.
as jury. Bree, go sit as jury.
Can I
That
get
fills
my-
up the jury
Oh my god, I
spots.
want to pick him up, bro.
I was about to say,
I can't wait till your mother joins. I got a lot to
No.
say. I can't wait till your mom joins. And she a Virgo.
Can I sit in the front? Can I sit in the front?
No.
No, why would you sit? Just sit down, Smile.
You won't even be listening anyway. Just sit down.
Oh my god, right? All right, I need a bailiff, and where's Azul?
I'm in the back.
Okay.
in the back.
Okay.
He's in the back.
Okay, yeah, I'm
I
gonna.
can be the
No, the bailiff's gonna introduce
Wait,
me.
you need a security guard?
Middle
Wait, is that the security
Yeah.
guard?
Yep, I'm
Wait,
getting it
no,
ready.
middle said he was doing it.
Middle's gotta be the bailiff.
Yeah, he's just changing right now.
Okay, let middle change. You gotta introduce the court case, Silly versus Tappy, and then introduce the judge first, and then the court case.
All right.
Yeah, Silly's mom's really in the game. No, well, it's cause guys, all right, I'm live 2 hours early than usual. Oh. Okay. All right, whenever you come right here, stand right here. You're gonna introduce the judge first, and then you're gonna introduce.
What the
Then you're
hell?
gonna say this is court case Silly versus. Say it in your way. Say whatever you want.
All
Alright.
Alright.
Doing the experiment on the peanuts.
This is Judge Azul presiding over the court case Silly versus Tapioca. Court is now in session.
Period.
Okay.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between of the court,
He thick.
I am taking the place of our previous judge. They were
Look at his hips.
a motion was filed against them due to improper conduct. So I thank you for allowing me to be here. I understand that yesterday for court we had to take a brief recess due to some heated allegations and some very strong words thrown from both sides. But I hope we can come to court today being analytical, talking about the issue. I want to hear from all sides. And if we start acting wrong in my courtroom, I will make sure you are dealt with.
Period.
So,
I love Scorpio.
with that being said,
Try it again, Anthony.
if the jury
Try
has
it again.
anything to say, you will be escorted out.
Held in contempt.
So, I would love for either side to go ahead and start. I believe last time we left off with the defendants, and they were examining our witness Tapioca, or the defendant themselves.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I was wondering if we could kind of just reiterate like our opening statement, just so that everybody's on the same page
absolutely.
of
If
our
that's where we
story.
want to start, we
Yes,
can absolutely do that.
we
In
need
that
that.
case, I want to start with the plaintiff side then, with their opening statement.
So you guys want me to reread my opening statement?
You don't have to repeat
Yeah.
it. If you want to summarize
Yeah,
your
just
like
like-
statement.
Okay.
Just
me
do
just
like a
refresh it.
recap.
Just to get everyone caught up.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this microphone smells really bad. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the courtroom. To be here today, we are hoping that the defendant will be put behind bars.
Thanks, Blake.
For a number of reasons, just to name a few: attempted manslaughter, battery, assault, so on and so forth. We are brought here today because the defendant has pulled out a pew-pew on my client and was shot at, and also was dropped out of a helicopter. For reasons that we will get into today, you will hear testimony from 2 of our witnesses, along with we are hoping to sue for $3 to $10 million.
Ooh.
Thank you so much.
Ooh.
3 to 10 million is an insane range, but all right. Please, defendants.
I don't know if Tappy has that kind of money.
So as the defense, we are here today to, defend Tapioca, primarily under the guise of the allegations that she has not only shot at the plaintiff, but also has dropped her out of a helicopter. We're mostly running this on a self-defense base, as Tapioca felt threatened by the the plaintiff, Sildred, and then also proceeded to, act in that type of self-defense. Most importantly, we are calling our witnesses from Kara and Dylan to showcase where her alibis were for both the helicopter as well as the actual aggression shown by the plaintiff. Furthermore, we are also going to make sure that we're showing our hardcore evidence because, unlike most people, we don't need testimony to win a case. So,
Thank you so
And
much,
then I'm
defendant
just going
side.
to add on as well, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor. And thank you to all of the members of this courtroom today who took their time out of their busy schedules to attend. That includes the plaintiffs, of course.
Yeah, I know Sloppy gonna eat it up.
It's great to see you guys. Thank you. I know that you've got busy schedules, busy lives, so it's great to have you here.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It's great to see you. Yuji, you look lovely today. I just wanted to let you know the eyelashes are really making your eyes pop. It's really pretty. Anyway,
Irrelevant.
What? Okay. Anyway, I'm sorry. Anyway, throughout this.
Oh!
What?
Yo!
Inside,
Throughout
please
this case
advise
today.
your client to maybe not speak out of turn.
Yep.
Sorry.
Thank you,
It
Susan.
won't happen again, spiritually.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Throughout this court case today, you'll hear so many shocking, horrifying claims. Most of which we would like to dispel. What? Okay. Anyway, this is an opening statement, Your Honor.
Do not interrupt the opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're going to hear many, many, horrifying things today. But I want you to really pay close attention to the facts as they are presented. I want you to, keep in mind that there are many, many, many things that are going on behind the scenes that maybe we aren't accounting for and maybe that we haven't seen before. The plaintiff, Sillie, has a criminal record, an extensive one at that. And today we hope to, make some real movement that my client, Tapioca, acted purely in self-defense. That after a long, excruciating employment at Ella's hospital, where she was under the strict management of Sildred J. Hope, that she acted purely as she could only do what she felt was right after being berated multiple times, being tased in the eyeball, for example, and beaten. She had no other choice than to do what she deemed necessary. And with that, I yield back. Thank you so much.
Thank you, defense. A couple of pointers I want to go ahead and make very clear here in my courtroom. We have rules and proceedings. When the word objection is stated, I will make a ruling and then we continue from there. If I decide you're out of turn and you're not the one up here cross-examining a witness, you are not to speak. I will hold you in contempt, and I promise I will have this big bailiff next to me get you out of here.
And I will.
So with that being said, does either side have a preference on who goes first and who to call first?
We are gonna let the defendant go first. Yes.
Defense go first, absolutely.
We would like to call in Dylan as a witness, please.
Dylan, please step forward to the witness stand.
Okay.
Bailiff, if you could please swear them
Dylan
in.
worked with Sillie. He's a traitor, Chad. He worked with Sillie.
Excuse you.
Yo.
You're excused.
Watch how you talk to my bailiff. Don't play with me.
Thank you, Judge Azul. Dylan,
Chad,
do you
Dylan's a
solemnly
op.
swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth? So help you, Ivy.
Yes, I do.
Somebody said he looked like
All
Randy
right.
Jackson
Please
from
begin
iCarly.
All right. Good afternoon, Dylan. I know it's been a long day, the court day, after all. But I just want to ease us into some questioning, okay, sir? My
Okay,
first question
sounds
for
good.
you is exactly what was the work relationship that you have with Silly? Because I know you've worked with her in multiple areas, so I was just curious.
Okay. So my background with Silly, she took me on as her wingman, and that was a
Yo,
great
he a
opportunity for me,
snitch.
but it was a lot of
Yo.
sketchy work. I'm gonna be honest.
Yo.
That was
Sketchy,
one
you
of my
say?
first
I'm gagged he's
sketchy
doing this.
work.
He's
There
a
used to be this
op.
place called Dummy Dentistry, and Silly was the co-owner of Dummy Dentistry,
Oh, okay.
and a lot happened
Right.
there if you don't know.
Oh, okay. So exactly, what if you can't go too much into detail, because I know that court case is very classified, you know, the FBI is all over that, and I'm not trying to touch that, right? But
Exactly.
what was like kind of like the not like the relationship, but like what was going on like exactly that you were doing as a quote unquote like wingman, I guess, right?
What was
I
your role in
would,
all of this?
I would take care of patients, take them out to the back, and then drop them off at the hospital without being noticed.
Whoa.
Oh.
He's a
Oh dear. Okay.
fucking op.
Can you explain to me why you would need to do something like that without being noticed? I mean, they're patients after all. Why would you have to drop them off behind the hospital without being seen?
So they were selling teeth. I don't know if I'm allowed to
Objection,
say
Your
that or
Honor.
not.
Relevance to the case.
No, it's very relevant, Your Honor. We're being
Overruled,
sued
Ms.
for a
Virginia.
large lump sum of 10 million or however much. This is very important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
that's going to be
Background.
overruled. If this is going to be a character testimony, I want to hear it.
Ooh. Ooh.
So
The water sign's a water sign.
Silly-
Chad, get your popcorn, get your
Silly and her
snacks, get your
team
snacks.
We're taking some patients to the back and extracting their teeth and then reselling them to like business majors, to a bunch of different rich people, so they would get money. And they were making good profit.
So you're
but
telling
it got shut down.
you're telling me that was profit something that was very important to your team? Was that something that you really highlighted, you know, of utmost importance, upselling, you know?
I wouldn't say it was for the team. For the team, it was making sure we were safe. But for Silly, it was so she could get money.
So would you say that there's been multiple times where you felt pressured maybe to work for her, or you know you were
Yes.
uncomfortable by her practices?
I had 2 teeth extracted by her for messing up a job. It was a messy time.
Oh. So I do have a question as well. So you know, you're doing all of
Your
this
Honor,
for
can I ask
Silly.
how this is? Can I just ask how this
Hold
is
on.
related to this case at all? I just want to know.
No, it
because-
is. I'm
No,
getting
because
to
Silly
it
was
at this
already
very
tried for this.
second.
My client has already been tried
We're
for this.
about to
and
pull in.
prosecuted.
It's just it's a character build up.
It's a
When
character
it
build
comes
up.
to character
Settle
witness
down.
and when it comes to character analysis, we are allowed to bring up prior crime.
Ooh.
So I would like to make it clear here that, you know, it was a co-directorship. It wasn't what the primary business focus was for.
Chat,
You know, this was
Serena,
almost
make a
side
poll.
work that was just going
Ask
straight
chat,
into Silly's pocket.
who do they think's
Is that
gonna
correct?
win this court case?
It wasn't
Silly or
exactly
Tappy?
going to Silly's pocket. It was being divided. Well, Sunny was taking money from the business as well, but Silly, I fear, was going to take it all and run. whenever
Okay,
things
so
went
what
south.
I'm hearing, if this is correct, and you can tell me if I'm wrong, it seems to me that Silly has a track record.
Guys,
of
vote the
creating
poll. There's a
schemes,
poll. I'm gonna
of
be asking
creating
you
ways
guys
that she can
questions, so
enrich
make sure you
herself
look out
and,
for
you
the
know,
poll
maybe
on
some of those
Twitch.
around her. I know that she did enlist some expensive lawyers today, some of whom I've never seen before. I wouldn't be, you know, it seems like there
The
is
charges are attempted murder.
a really weird connection
I
here,
forgot.
and I don't know if
Objection?
I'm being, you know, hold on.
What is your
I don't know if
objection?
I'm being.
It's leading.
Leading costs.
I'm not leading. I'm not
I'm
giving.
going
This
to
isn't a yes or
overrule
no
that.
question.
He's not leading Dylan to a
Vote the
question.
poll,
He's
guys,
making a
if you
statement.
wanna
If
be a
Dylan
part of the
wants to
community.
oppose that statement, that's up to
Do
him.
it right fucking now. Who's winning this
So,
court
what
case?
I'm
Vote the
saying
poll
is
on
that
Twitch.
would it seem far-fetched for, and this isn't even necessarily a Dylan question. I'm just speaking to the jury as a whole, and maybe just
Sloppy's
the
a good
courtroom as a whole.
lawyer.
If Sillie would go so far out of her way, and yes, we do have all of her prior convictions, she's been arrested multiple times at this point. Would it not seem that, a large lump sum of 10 million that she's going for would just seem like another scheme, especially when Sillie was the one who initiated all of this by throwing the first punch with the taser?
That is true. I also have a question for you, Dylan.
I have a question.
Primarily, yes.
How do we know Sillie was the first one to throw the first punch? Is there evidence?
In
I believe
the
that we
video
have that on
recordings
video.
previously.
Yes,
you
for
can see her
previous
pulling out the
evidence. I've
bat.
reviewed the evidence.
Previous evidence? Okay.
I haven't, that hasn't gone to jury yet. Of course, they haven't made a decision, but the evidence, that's one of their points from last session.
Okay.
Yes.
I have one more question for Mr. Dylan. I'm submitting some evidence, by the way. It's going to, the sub-work portal right now. Dylan, are you familiar with
Dylan's
this
train.
video footage that we have caught recently?
Can you tell the
on
train to calm down?
CCT?
Hold on real quick. Let's skip over. Let's wait for the trains to
Yeah,
calm
wait.
down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I like
Calm down.
Let's
Calm
wait.
down.
Let the trains
Calm
pass
down.
by.
Check it.
Okay, that.
I would like to sue the train. I would like to sue the train.
No, you can't sue the train. You can't sue the train.
The train is irrelevant.
I will hold the train in contempt.
Irrelevant.
Calm
Okay,
down.
Okay, go.
Get the plushie.
All right, order in the court. Back to the
Still there. It's still there.
But
It's
yes,
still there.
I would like to
Sloppy, get in frame a little bit.
If you don't mind.
Is it me or...
Absolutely.
Sorry.
If,
So
Go ahead.
Dylan, with the reviewed footage that I'm submitting to the court right now, do you have any recollection of this at all? The CCT footage of it. If you could show that, cameraman, appreciate it. Love you.
I got you. I'll put on the big screen. Friendly Ghost, if you're listening, that's you.
Give us one moment. It's buffering.
It's buffering out.
Wait, we got evidence? Oh, okay.
Yes, we
Yeah,
got
she-
evidence,
yeah.
girl.
Sorry,
Get
all
this
right, but I was
It's
on
in
my
the
phone.
chat.
I was on my phone.
I know.
No, you're good. You're good.
All right, be quiet. Oh, be quiet so they can hear the video. Oh, my.
Make sure the bodies are taken care of. I have to be a call by right there. And nobody needs to see these people here.
Take care of them. You got that. Thank y'all.
Shannon.
I have been attacked by your co-director.
By who? Oh, what the?
Oh my. Hello. Is this thing on? It's okay. It's on. It's on. Hello. For those
So
that
just
don't
for
know
my
me, my name is
clarification
Maria,
purposes before we
and
do
I was
questions,
asked to come as a
this was
witness
on the day
for
of the alleged,
Tapioca, so I am
incidents
here to
between
be her
the plaintiff
witness.
and defendant.
And
Hold
I
on, Azul, hold
swear
on.
that everything that I say is the truth, the whole
Those are more.
truth, and nothing but the truth. I'm here to speak about the experiences that I have suffered at Ella Ivy's Memorial Hospital at the hands of Sillie. Had 3 attempts on my life at the hospital, and Sillie knew about it all. And one of the attempts she actually orchestrated. She had somebody come in there and whack me and dump me in the back of the hospital with my lawyer. I have suffered so much. And honestly, I hope Tapioca wins, and I hope they take your ass to jail.
Okay.
Oh.
I showed it. You could continue, Azul.
Your Honor, can we submit some evidence that correlates to this video, please?
That makes
I
the
will
video
allow
irrelevant.
once I allow cross-examination of this witness.
Amazing,
So-
thank you.
Yes,
Oh,
thank you.
sorry. So Dylan, as you can see, you helped dispose of this body exactly, and also presumably her lawyers. So what was the
Yeah.
experience like? And were you once again? It seems like it was orchestrated by Sillie.
Yes.
Yeah, I think Tappy's gonna win.
Sillie had asked.
Damn.
Hello.
Sillie had asked
Oh,
me.
sorry.
To come in.
I was reading chat. I was reading chat. Bye.
Jury, you'll
order.
ignore that statement.
Order.
Okay, so Sillie had
I
asked
still
me
fuck with
to
Sillie.
come in as my
Bro,
old
why you didn't
wife
tell me my mic
and
was on? Y'all weird as
help
fuck.
her with something, and I didn't know what she wanted
Oh my
help
god,
with
that's so embarrassing.
until I got
Oh
to
my
her
god, should I end
office.
stream? Should we leave?
And I saw 2 people in office, and I immediately knew I was
embarrassing.
gonna have to take care of some bodies again.
I feel so bad.
Again, you say.
Because I really don't like nobody
It's a
but
pattern
Silly.
now we're seeing, right?
I really
it's a
don't fuck with
pattern.
y'all. If Silly wanted me to
It's
delete the
just
Discord.
like the old days. It's something I'm used to at this point, and I
Oh.
wasn't expecting her to reach back out for me because I thought that was all behind us.
Okay. Can I ask just one last question? I believe, unless
give you
Susan
one
has
more
another.
question.
Okay. Can you just explain for all of us here what Silly was like as a boss? Like, how did you feel being around that? Because to me, that just sounds really scary.
Silly as a boss, it wasn't great. She would always pull us aside for
Make another
meetings
poll to rate
and
it.
have us all pin against
Do
each
y'all feel
other.
like
and it's just weird
ask
having
them?
your
Do you
HR
feel like
wanting everyone
Dylan
to
is a
fight each
op?
other.
Yes or no?
She would always
Oh.
walk up to me, say someone was talking about me, and then she would just move on to a different person, say the exact same thing, and then she'd pull us to a meeting and have us like talk about our problems. And it's a little weird wanting her to like talk about each other in bad ways.
So you think it's like orchestrating
Vote
chaos?
the poll on
almost,
Twitch,
huh?
guys. Vote the poll.
Yeah. She has a past of doing the wrong thing, and she just keeps wanting to do that.
Thank you so much, Dylan. I appreciate you for coming in today, and thank you so much
She
for
never
being
working with
here
Dylan
and
again.
being Thank you so much.
She's never
and with
working
that,
with
we
Dylan again.
We will be yielding. Sorry.
Plaintiff side, feel free to cross-examine the witness.
Okay.
Big ass.
First, I would like to submit evidence of Maria Dom Top. Let me put it in the sub chat.
That name is making me real mad, but I'll allow it.
It's pronounced
So
Dom Top.
any, if you look at the report, it is a police report for fraud. So anything that she has submitted with in video evidence is irrelevant at this point.
I will examine said police report. Give me a moment. And of course, is it just that? Is there proof?
There's identity theft, fraud, criminal impersonation, and false impersonation of an official, all on that police report of Maria Don Top.
Oh, this is an
Objection,
extensive report,
speculation.
That is an extensive
It is not speculation if it is an actual police report.
Why she got all that in the bag? Yo, don't be checking out Yuji's back part.
And
I tell you about that shit
based
all the
on what
time.
I'm
Stop fucking checking it
seeing,
out.
It seems she.
Why the fuck is you bringing that up?
All of these.
It's a bad shape though.
Sloppy, but it's literal video footage of her getting attacked.
It's not irrelevant in the case, but it does put that this person. into
Objection.
question
We
whether it
have
can
video
be-
evidence of her proceeding to do the crime.
I will say yes.
it is
technically, by
there.
that video evidence, there was still.
But we're
things to be
also
seen.
dealing with
However,
someone who is a criminal.
in cases like this, I want to advise the jury. It's like you now have both sides. You can either claim to believe the video evidence, or you can believe that maybe this person forged the video. So in which case, I'll allow both evidence in, but this is where the jury needs to make a decision
Right.
later about whether it's legitimate or not. So thank you, Yuji, for the evidence.
Okay, Dylan. You said you didn't have the best relationship with Silly, did you?
We had a good relationship. We were twins for real, and then she just got money hungry and power hungry, and it just started getting weird.
So what ended up happening at the end of the whole Dami Dentistry situation?
Her antics got caught onto, and everything just got shut down.
What happened specifically? Like, did the feds come?
Shut your fucking phone
The
off.
feds raided the place. They found everything, and they took everyone into custody for questioning.
No.
Let the court know that Silly was taken in. I'm going to be submitting her papers right now. This is her state of Ella Ivy Department of Corrections off the criminal record. She was in prison for her time.
Objection. This doesn't disqualify that she would still do it again.
But she was.
Troy's big ass.
That's not a proper objection. I mean, it's still just a submission of evidence.
Troy, be jury. Be jury. Do y'all need him as a witness?
So I'll allow it regardless.
You didn't have the best relationship with Silly, did you?
I don't think so.
It was not a great relationship, no.
Yes or no?
Would you say she
Yes.
was a good mentor?
Okay.
Wait, but that's
She
three.
was a good
wait, that's
mentor.
three.
They're going with Kara. at the same time.
Okay, but hold on.
I wonder what Sillie's mom is thinking about all this.
20 pounds.
I wanna. Let me see. Silly.
Don't
talk about
what
her
trying to
saying
say
about
about that.
in
Maybe
the
she
jail.
lost some weight in prison.
What are you
Was
trying to
that
say
when
about
she-
that?
Lost some weight.
45 is insane. But I don't know how old Sillie is, so. Regardless, please continue.
Are you, Dylan? Are you aware that Sillie was convicted?
I was
Oh.
aware she was convicted multiple times.
Dylan. Talking
Are we
through a
All
aware
for
that-
different things, mind you.
Dylan, your mic's messing
Are
up.
we aware that? Yeah,
Yeah,
Dylan.
Mike's a
your
little
messing
sad.
up.
I hear it too.
I'm gonna submit
I'm not
also
hearing
more
it now, it's fine.
evidence to the court that
Please and thank
my
you.
client, she has served her time. She has
Okay.
a certification of parole release, a mandatory supervision certification, a certificate of good conduct while she was convicted. This is after everything. So she's done
Okay.
her time. She has done everything with Domi dentistry.
Okay. I will of course allow this evidence. It is character-based evidence, so of course the jury will analyze this and determine whether or not this is relevant to her character now. But thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
Last question, Dylan. At times, did you think Sillie was very positive?
Sillie was a positive person unless she was about to get caught. And then everything did a 180 and
But did she not get
became
caught?
aggressive.
Leading.
Did she not?
Leading.
Did she not? No, it's not leading
Yes,
because she actually got
sustained.
convicted.
That is that you're leading the client towards a specific answer. Please
Well, was
reword your
was
question
Sillie
or do a
overall
different
at the
question.
end convicted?
She was convicted. But
Okay.
The court case wasn't
Keep it known,
seen,
jury,
it was
that
all hidden.
Sillie was already convicted.
Objection
for this
vague.
crime. No,
How many
she was
times was she
convicted. That's not
convicted?
vague. For this crime, the Domi dentistry, yes, she was already convicted for this. You don't know.
Uh-oh,
You don't know
Please
the whole
continue on to
situation.
the next
Dylan.
question, Yuji.
Okay, Aaron, would you like to ask any questions?
No,
Alyssa,
think
I mean?
you summed it up pretty nicely.
Sillie's
Huh?
mom's gonna go on the
Nicely, Yuji.
stand.
Alyssa, would you like to ask questions?
I'll
Is
ask
that
a question.
Yuji's
I'll ask a
mic?
question.
It's Yuji's mic.
I think the
Yuji-
static is.
Yeah, Yuji, I think
middle.
it's
Is that
you.
you. Oh, is
It could be.
me?
Yeah, I think it
Yuji?
was Yuji's mic.
It's either Yuji or middle. It's from
Okay.
my left, so.
Okay, Aaron. Also, I do want to say, Sillie, your mom's gonna go on the stand, right?
Mic was
Yes, we're calling her next.
Okay.
You're
We'll
bomb.
call her
Okay.
next.
Oh, is it mine?
Yes. We'll get to it. We'll get to it. We promise. We promise.
All right. All right.
Good
Please
afternoon, Dylan.
go on with your questioning.
Good
Y'all ready to hear?
afternoon,
This is
how
Sillie's
are you?
real mom, y'all.
I am doing amazing. How are you doing, Dylan? Just to get
Real
an understanding.
mom.
I'm doing pretty good. I slept pretty good today.
So I know, from the footage,
It's
we
her real
did
mom,
see you
y'all. Real
for
life
that
mom.
one incident with Sillie. How were you feeling during that whole?
Sillie's real mom is in the
altercation?
game.
It just brought me back to everything that used to happen, and it was a really weird situation. And
She's the first House of Ivy mom to
she
come
keeps
play with
like a
us.
hold on
Even
me,
though I
and
met
don't know
Smiles'
why,
mom
but I
first.
just feel like she's gonna tell on me one day.
This is
and
the first one
everything's
to
gonna
actually come play with
spill
us.
out, and I won't be employed anymore.
And her mom is a
because
Pisces.
My charges were dropped.
Okay, so when Sillie reached out to you, why exactly did you answer back and say you would partake in this? Just to get an understanding for the court.
Objection hearsay.
Because like I said, she has a hold on me. She
will
knows
allow
my
it.
past.
Okay, from your past. Okay. Was anybody else present that day that you can remember?
The two people that I had to quote unquote dispose of, someone named Aaron and someone named Grandma Zoe.
Okay. Do you remember, what time this incident occurred?
I'm not exactly sure what time it happened. It was in the nighttime, I'm assuming it was around 9 to 10 p.m.
9 to 10 p.m. Okay, during work hours, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How certain are you about what you have testified against today?
Erin's a Virgo too.
100% certain.
She's an August Virgo.
I'm
That'd be
under
all
oath.
for their
Why would I lie?
questions.
Sillie's
That would be
mom
all for
is
the
in
questions.
court.
Okay. Thank you, Dylan. You may go have a seat back in the witness stand.
All right.
Thank you, Dylan. You were amazing, sir.
Plaintiff
Thank
side, would
you.
you like to call up your witness, your next witness?
Your Honor, we would like to call Mildred to the stand.
Ooh.
And just for the record, on paper, can we get a statement?
Absolutely
of who
not.
Mildred is?
Oh my God! Silly, I'm going. Yo, are you serious? Yo, you really challenging me? Yo, she's really challenging me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No,
Excuse
because
me.
Miss
No,
Mildred. Miss
absolutely
Mildred
not.
Oh, or whatever your name is.
Your Honor, let the court show that they have matching tattoos that shows how much that
It's
her
not
mother
about
cares
that.
for her.
You ever hear
Weird.
of appropriate attire?
This is an inappropriate outfit.
Tappy, 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 stop, tappy.
Sit down, Mildred. Sit down.
Order.
Sit down,
Hey,
Mildred.
ma'am. I'm gonna need order, or you'll be held in contempt. You'll be held in contempt.
Yes, sir.
You'll be held in
I don't
contempt.
even.
All right, who's coming up? All right, continue.
Sorry.
Okay, I am.
Mildred, if you better,
so sorry.
you better not play in my face today, because I will hold you in contempt. Because you look crazy.
My apologies.
Yup.
I'm sorry. I'm wearing a hat. I'm
She
completely
looks
covered.
lovely. For the record,
I'm
she
gonna
looks
close
lovely.
I
Yeah,
cannot
your
believe
head.
this is Silly's mom.
Thank
Okay.
you. Oh
Okay.
no, that's exactly why I'm wearing a hat. That's why I'm wearing a hat to protect my head.
So,
All right, please.
good
please
morning,
continue
Mildred.
the questioning.
Good morning, Mildred. I know
Mildred's
I'm very
Your
happy
Honor,
that
she
you
has to be
have-
sworn in.
Oh,
yeah,
absolutely.
go ahead,
So sorry,
swear
I got
her,
distracted with
swear
that
her.
thing. Please, bailiff, could you swear in Miss Mildred?
Yeah, sorry, I got
I'm
really
assuming
mad
Miss-
at the
Is there a
tattoo.
dad somewhere?
All right, Miss Mildred
The
J.O.
Hi
This is
there.
her real mom,
Do you
y'all.
promise
This
to
is her
tell the truth,
biological,
nothing but the
real
truth and the whole
DNA
truth?
surface
So help you,
mom.
Ella Ivy, and things.
Absolutely, I always tell the truth. You look gorgeous. I tell the
A
truth.
simple yes or no would just suffice.
Thank
That's
you.
all.
Oh
honey.
my gosh. Yes.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, am I allowed to start with my questioning?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, Mildred. I am very grateful that you have taken the time out of your day to come to this court. For the record, would you
This
mind
her
stating
real
your
mom,
full name
y'all.
for us today?
My name is Mildred. Ho.
Okay.
They call me Millie. Just call me Millie.
I'm not
Millie,
calling you
Miss
Millie.
Millie.
It's going to be Mildred.
Amazing.
No, you're going to address her
I'm
as
gonna need
Mildred.
order. I'm gonna need order.
That's fine. That's
Miss
fine.
Mildred, okay.
Mildred is fine.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Mildred, you are the mother of Sillie J. Oak. Is that correct?
Yes, that's my baby.
And I do understand, just to get some, context of Sillie's background, Sillie's life, how she grew up. What do you do for a living, Miss Mildred?
I'm a gardener.
Gardener. Amazing. And I do see here that you have 5 other children in addition to Sillie. Would you be able to please name all of your children for us today?
Yes, I have Samantha.
Objection.
I have
Relevance?
Sylvans.
It's
Yeah,
very
I-
relevant. It's background.
I need you to get to the point quickly.
This is
Wait,
a background
we're getting to the point. We're getting to the point.
We all
Let her
have
finish.
families.
I'm going to
Let
allow
her
this
finish.
question, but if I don't hear a point soon, I'm going to get mad.
You will have a point. Continue, Miss Mildred.
All right, Samantha. I have Sylvan. I have Silric. I have Sylvan. I have Sylvan. And I have my baby right there, Sildred.
Amazing. So just for the court's understanding and everything, I am going to be submitting a photographic evidence of this.
Why do they all start with an S?
Just so you know, because evidence that was
What are you
submitted
about to send me?
yesterday
Oh,
from
my
the
God.
yes.
Yo,
That is the
I'm
family
in
line
actual
because
tears,
from the
bro.
defendant brought this
I'm in
up
actual
This
yesterday,
picture
so we
looks
thought.
heavy.
Okay. That's
on.
okay. So Miss Mildred,
But look at the picture.
how did you feel
Look at the
about
picture.
Sillie becoming a co-director at this hospital?
Hold on.
Promotion. Oh my gosh, it was awesome. I love you, Silly. Mwah. Mama loves you, baby. I loved it. It was a dream come true.
Did you ever think that your precious daughter was going to be harmed in her workplace?
From what I was told, you're supposed to feel safe at work. I feel safe when I'm gardening, so she should feel safe at work as well.
Amazing, amazing. Now, just to get a little understanding, since we are bringing up characteristic of my client, how did Sillie grow up? How was Sillie growing up?
She was very quiet. She was helpful around the house. She brought in my people when I was gardening. She helped me a lot. She was very, very helpful with her siblings as well.
Amazing. Let the court show Sillie is a very quiet and shy person. Now, do you believe that still stands true
I
to
love
this
you,
day?
Sillie. I love
Objection,
you,
hello?
baby.
Irrelevant.
Order. You will not address the plaintiff. You will talk to just the lawyer.
Okay.
You will
Lawyer,
not
did
make a
you
mess
tell
of my courtrum.
Her mom's from New York,
Do you
though.
believe
Did you tell my
that
daughter how I
statement-
feel about her?
You're going to discredit whatever she just said right there.
Do you believe that still stands true to this day? That Sillie is still a quiet and shy person?
Absolutely.
Okay, amazing. I would like to ask if Yuji, do you have any further questions for Miss Mildred?
I have like two.
Okay, amazing. Sildred, your mother said she loves you very much. She wants to give you a
Mildred.
kiss.
Hello, nice to meet you today. You look amazing. You look wonderful. I love the
Thank you.
hat.
Thank
Love
you.
the bodysuit.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You look
No one
good
else.
too,
They
darling.
don't know. Do you believe Sillie's a very hard
What's
worker?
going on with my content?
Absolutely. Absolutely. You give her a task, she will complete it no matter what. No matter what.
Do you think if Sillie was given a good position, she would do anything in her power to make sure that she keeps that position?
Objection, leading, and
that is
opinion.
Yeah, sustained. Reword that.
Okay. Do you think? No. Do you think? Is Sillie really good at her job?
I believe that Sillie
Objection,
would make sure
speculation.
that
Overruled. Please answer the question.
I've known my daughter for years. I'm gonna say that my daughter, if she wants to make her boss happy, she will make sure she does everything to make sure that the company makes money. Okay? Makes money. And I know the company has to be making money. Is the company not making money? Is that what the problem is?
Maybe. Do you
Maybe.
believe
Okay,
that
Eugene, you can go fuck
is
yourself.
Sillie? Do you know of Sillie of any Sillie's prior work? How has she done in those? In her prior work? How has she
Sillie
behaved?
She has been successful in anything she's touched. Anything. I love those shades.
Can you describe how those past worker experiences have been with the bosses, any of the employees?
I could say I'd never ended in court before with Sillie, so something must have happened to influence this, because she's never been to court with any other of her previous jobs that I know of.
Let it be known.
Lack of personal
Let it be known.
experience.
It's okay. We got
personal
this.
knowledge.
That's all my
Yeah.
questions.
So here's the thing. I'm going to say that I don't think that Sillie's mother is a good basis on whether or not she's good at her jobs. Or not.
Azul, it's okay. I'd like to still take a crack at this if this is okay, Your Honor.
Can we still,
This is
question
a,
I have a couple
biased character
questions.
statement. I will allow more
Sildred,
questioning,
it is okay.
but I want the court to be made aware. This is
crazy.
This is a biased character.
But we can
witness
have a
right here.
convicted person named Maria up here. We can have a convicted Maria on the video. So what's the difference?
There's a lot of convicted
Your Honor, if
felons.
I
you
gave
have
a
one more
fair
question,
assessment
am I
on a
allowed
third
to
party that
ask
was
my
closely
question?
related.
Your Honor,
convicted
Your Honor,
felons
It seems
here.
like Your Honor's biased.
Unprofessional.
If I have
You
one
just
more
brought
question,
someone's
may I
mother
ask?
in for a witness.
Order.
Your Honor,
Do you feel like Mildred was a good
Yes.
if I have
witness
one more
for
question,
Sillie?
may I ask real
Chat?
fast?
Please, you can still question the witness,
I-
but I need it was just a statement to the jury.
Of course. It's just two quick questions real quick. Okay. Miss Mildred, so about this assault. Do you know exactly why Sillie is here today?
Make sure y'all vote the poll.
From what I was told, because she was injured doing her job. Someone brutally attacked my baby girl.
Yes, I will fill you in on this. She was dropped out of a helicopter and, shot
Oh
in her
my
lower
God, a
abdomen.
helicopter!
Objection hearsay.
A helicopter! Baby, how are you? Oh my God.
Overruled. Please allow.
Right, because I thought she didn't know.
And foundational issues.
I'm sorry, y'all.
So, before I
Do you think
get to the
anybody
whole...
deserves to be out? Do you think anybody deserves to be thrown out of a helicopter?
Absolutely
that
not,
anybody
and let
could
the
actually
jury
be-
be known. Let that be known,
Nothing
jury.
that you could possibly be do. Nothing you can do can cause you to be thrown out
Bleeding?
of a helicopter. A helicopter.
I agree.
A
Hold on.
helicopter.
I agree.
Yeah, that's gonna be
I
that's gonna
agree.
be sustained. I need you to reword your questioning.
Have Mildred say computer.
Okay, so, before I get to the assault, I just want to say, has any of your children,
I thought you
other
only had
than
one question.
Sildred, gone to jail? I said I had to.
Stop interjecting.
Stop interrupting me.
Order.
Please, I'll allow this question. This is your last question.
So, has any of Sildred's, siblings gone to jail?
Objection relevance.
I'll allow it. Please answer the question.
Yes, some of them have, and some of them have actually. They look so close together that they might have even thought it was silly. There's a lot of them. They're real close together in age, and yes, they have.
Why do you all look alike?
Like family traits. We defend ourselves.
Amazing. And real fast, along with the assault, do you believe that, it was in self-defense?
Objection speculation.
Overruled. Not speculation. It's just she's asking whether she believes something or not.
That's an opinion, Your Honor.
And this is a character witness.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh.
Yes.
Quickly, can you
It's
say,
in
just for the
self-defense.
for the court's sake, can you say Sildred's siblings' last names?
Okay. I need a point really quickly now because
Relevance, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, overruled. There's no
it's
point to
just-
that.
There is a point to it. There's a point
I
to
thought there was
everything,
only
and I
two
don't know why you guys
questions,
keep
Your
interrupting
Honor.
Yeah, you've already pushed your limit. You said 2 questions. Now I'm at 4. So you're done.
Well, just let Mildred
we're going
answer
to
the damn
5.
question. Let Mildred answer the question.
No, and I've overruled
It's
that.
compounding questions. She's asked like 6 at this point.
Let it be known that this
Obstruction.
lawyer already did ask and fell back.
Here's the
There-
thing. I'll allow
there
you
is
one
a-
more
questions
question.
a lawyer
Okay.
can ask?
I'm going to allow you one
Okay,
more
let her
question.
continue.
So, Miss Mildred,
No,
can you
Your
please
Honor,
just
am I
say
answering the-
all your children's last names? Yes, Miss Mildred.
Samantha Bell Stevens, Silver Jean Jackson, Silver Cobain, Silver J. Blige, Dylan Collins, and of course, my baby, Sildred J. Hope.
I'm so done, silly.
Oh my god. There's no way you're referencing what I think.
Amazing.
Objection, what is this?
Oh,
Well, if
overruled
you were a
because
part, okay, this has
May I-
May
this
I
has relevance
just
to
let
the
this
is what I
evidence
thought
that
was
was
going
submitted
on.
by Tapioca
Yes.
and the defendant yesterday.
So what I'm getting here is that are you claiming that the people in the evidence submitted yesterday of the personas
Those
were
are
not silly?
all Sildred's. Those are all Sildred's siblings. Yes, that is correct.
Got it.
Oh my gosh.
That's what we're saying.
Objection, fingerprints
That is the
don't lie,
reasoning.
Your Honor.
I will say there were fingerprints submitted, so I need the jury to also understand that. This is again character witness statement. This also good. Just take it as you need to. But thank you
Amazing.
for
That
making
is all
that
for the
known.
questions from me.
I definitely know where those children came from. They were mine.
Okay.
Can the defense do
I'll
the
allow the defense
cross-examination,
to
please?
cross-examine, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's gorgeous. Hi there.
Hello, Mildred. How are you? It's good to see you and it's good to meet you.
You too. You're just so cute. Look at you.
Oh, you know what? Your hat is really lovely, actually. You'll have to tell me where you got it because I really do enjoy it.
Yes, This is my court hat. Thank you.
Oh, of course. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. I do hear that you said that this was your court hat. Does that mean that you've been to court, multiple times to have a designated hat for court?
Ooh.
No, but I like to go sit in the back of the courtroom and just watch. So you have to dress fancy. You have to dress fancy in court, so I'm dressing fancy.
Your mother, she's dressing like Smile.
I'm writing that down for later.
I don't like that shit, Silly. I don't like that shit.
Fine.
And then you
I
put
do
a
want to
tramp
ask
stamp
about your
on her.
relationship with your daughter.
Who gets the
Sildred.
tramp stamp with their
You
mom?
said it was strong, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you guys keep in touch. Is that true as well?
Yes, we keep in touch. She's a grown woman, but we keep in touch.
Mm-hmm. So here's my question. You had said previously, as the other, the plaintiff side was, questioning you, you said that you had no idea that Sillie was having issues at previous jobs. Is that, I'm just confused because I would assume that I would, if I was having issues at work and I was really close with my family member, I would be probably letting them know. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's...
Absolutely. You're correct. You're absolutely correct. It's just that when we talk, we make sure that we speak with each other, let us know what's going on. But my daughter has never came to me and told me, oh, Ma, by the way, today I got thrown out of another helicopter. Oh, my gosh. No. One helicopter, one injury, one broken leg. She's had issues, but guess what? She's also an adult and she should be able to cover her own. So that's why she makes sure she covers herself.
I agree completely.
Do you run to your mom when you have problems? Do you go run into mommy?
No, actually, I don't. However, here's my issue as well, Miss Mildred.
Does your mommy know that
Miss
you're in
Mildred,
court right now?
I want to remind you
Yes,
that you
you
are a
are.
witness. You are not questioning the lawyer.
It's okay, Jackie. Stand back. So
I only said that because he was asking me about my daughter talking to me.
That's
and
okay.
I'm letting him know that
Miss
it's
Mildred,
not
Miss
normal
Mildred,
for just
please.
parents and daughters to be talking.
No.
I apologize to everyone in this. I'm sorry.
So here's my question then.
The way she follows the rules
I
better
really
than most
understand. I
people
think it's
is
honestly
insane.
a lovely thing that you care so much about your daughter. I think it's really beautiful. Here's my issue as well, though. Sillie did come to the stand, with evidence about how they did serve 10 years in prison.
This is her real mom.
If I, served 10 years in prison, maybe I don't talk to my mommy every day, but I think that she would probably notice that I was either, absent for 10 years or I was calling her from a payphone from the county
God,
jail.
he's so cancer coded.
So that's my issue is, if you really do, as you say, you're, as close to Sillie, you don't know how she would have previous issues. How would you not know that she was gone for that long?
10 years. The last time I checked, my daughter was in probably for 2 months. Where did you get this 10 years from? Are you trying to combine all my other children with Sildred? Oh my goodness.
So you say that
Sildred.
all of your
It's
other children, I do want to remind you, just really quick, I'm sorry to cut you off. I do want to remind you that the fingerprints on all of those, files, they do match Sillie'S, Sildred. And on those conviction sheets as well, I didn't see names of, all of these kids. I only saw Sildred, Sildred J. Blige. So my issue is you're claiming that all of your kids go by Sillie'S various alter egos. Is that what you're trying to say here?
Alter egos?
I mean,
Ego is
yes.
Sildred. Her name is not Sildred J. Blige. Her name is Sildred. Sildred. There's no D in there. There's no D in her name. So if you got that, that's two different people. There's two different people you're referring to.
Okay, so here's my other issue. If you do say that they are two different people, the fingerprints do match, and unfortunately with the level of crime that Sillie has committed at, her said jobs, which again, she has not told you about apparently, which again, I wouldn't go running to mommy if, I was getting convicted of a crime as well. I probably would want her to think that I'm an angel still too. So I get that.
The way you're
my
spelling
issue
it.
is, I just don't understand completely how there's no way that she could have, I don't know, dressed as her siblings possibly, because even at the scene of the crime, her fingerprints were there and she was tried and her fingerprints were there. So I'm just wondering, were you okay? I'm not sure who ended up spending that prison time, but in that case, would you have been okay with any of your other kids going to jail? Because you said that, So is that what we're saying? You're okay with, but you just don't think that your precious angel could ever, even though the fingerprints match for all of those crimes to your one child, and it's not
Sorry.
leading. This is very relevant.
Please say objection. Sorry, I'm
Sir,
not.
You were saying a lot of
overruled.
stuff. I
do
don't
wanna
even know
hear
what
an
the
answer to
question
this.
was. What was the question? He was just talking. He was just talking. I'm sorry.
My question here is, you don't believe that there's any way, because you say that your kids all share the same, resemblance. You don't think that with the amounts of crimes that Sillie has been caught for and tried for, there's no way that she could have thrown on a wig because her fingerprints were at the scenes of the crime, and when she. It's not. It's very relevant. We have.
I need you
Lawyer.
to make a concrete
is
question,
leading.
Sloppy, please.
Could you ask me a question, please, sir? I don't know what it is. You just keep telling me a story. What's the question?
Listen.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
So
listening.
I just want to
I got
get this
my ears
straight
on.
really quickly.
All right.
Can we make Mildred and Ivy leader?
All of your kids, you're
we're
telling
gonna
me,
do
have
a
gone to
whole
jail.
lane for all the moms that join.
Yes.
Mama
Okay.
leader.
Okay, all of them. So you're telling me that it does run in the family to commit these kinds of crimes.
What kinds of crimes did they commit? Are you referring to? I mean, from stealing.
I mean, it's in the
candy bar,
records of their
they
prior
have-
convictions.
There's no murder.
Ma'am.
There's nothing
ma'am.
bad. What do you, I don't know what
Petty
the
crimes,
question
you
is,
don't
have
get-
all my kids. You're referring to have all my kids gone to jail? Yes, I've answered your question. Did I answer the question this time, Your Honor?
Why are all the kids in jail?
Listen.
I suppose you did. Yeah. Let's move on to the next
Thank you
question,
so
Sloppy,
much.
if you have one.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. Shannon, you got anything?
I do have
Or not
something I
Shannon,
would
sorry,
like to ask.
Susan.
No, it's okay.
All right, let's go.
I get mistaken for that poor woman all the time.
No, I get that.
Hi,
I understand.
Hello, it's Mildred, right? I'm sorry, I was just taking notes. I'm just making
Yes.
sure I can pronounce your name correctly. Right.
Night,
So
Aqua.
ultimately, I have a question on the
If you're
basis of the
just tuning
family
in, this
photo
is
that you provided
Sillie's real
towards
mom
the plaintiff.
on the stand as a
exactly. So
witness.
can you clarify who's associated with what date exactly?
What do you the family photo that I with my kids?
Yes, the family photo that, Yuji, the plaintiff lawyer, provided. There's dates associated with these. I'm just curious of what those mean.
Yeah, this is her real mom.
Can I see the photo?
The photo submitted, just for clarification, does have dates next to every individual. She's asking.
Let's
me
go back to
clar-
the picture real
clarify.
quick. This is
These
the whole
same
girls.
photos, they have their names on it. I don't understand what's
Yes,
going on.
but they're asking for clarification on what those
On the
dates
dates.
are
Yes.
next to each person's face.
I don't know what those dates are because my daughter was born in 83, so I don't know where this 84 comes from.
83?
You're telling me that she committed a crime when she was 1? What
Which
are
one's
these
Sillie?
dates?
I am not.
Who made up these
just-
pictures? Who put these dates here? My daughter was born in 83.
It was brought in by your.
Why is there...
I'm about to say. It was brought in by your plaintiff, so I don't understand why we don't have a misconception with the dates currently, as evident. As the
These
jury
dates
should
are
take note that
incorrect.
they
My daughter
Bingo.
was born in 83. She was born in
exactly.
83.
So I would like the jury to let it be known that it could have been very possible that this photo could have been altered already as is, same with the dates. And on top of that, we already have a kind of this misconception already coming from the witness.
Sillie's mom is
My
Sillie's
second
mom,
question
y'all.
is,
This
Miss
is
I
a
would like to
Mildred.
ask
real
Anna a
life
question
mom.
based on that then, since this was submitted by the
Mildred is Sillie's
plaintiff
real
side.
mom.
Would you like to explain what the dates are?
Aaron. I mean, Alyssa.
Yes, I can clarify.
Yes, please
Give me
explain
one
to the court
moment.
what those dates are in reference to.
Let me go ahead and pull up. They are jail dates for when
Oh.
each sibling went to jail.
Oh.
Are you posting this in
My
Snapchat?
daughter was born in 83.
No,
My daughter was
dates
born
are
in
the dates on the
83.
picture are the dates they went to jail.
So
the
by
picture.
by your statements, every single one,
Oh.
they all went to jail in these corresponding years. Okay.
Yes, on these corresponding
No.
years, there's no exact date that we could get from the record, so we just put the date that they were convicted.
That's not the date of birth. That's the date they were convicted.
Yeah,
Okay,
serrated
thank you for the
pennant.
clarification.
Mildred is Sillie's real mom.
So my question is, did you make these marks yourself, or did the plaintiffs do that, ma'am?
What marks?
The dates.
I'm
Dates?
I'm
No,
talking about
I
the
did not
dates.
do that. I did not
Okay.
put those dates on there.
So again, I'm just letting the jury know that the photo was already altered by the plaintiffs. Second of all, ma'am, I would like to ask, mostly on the basis of fingerprints, once again from my correspondent a bit, I'm having trouble to understand how then your daughter is matching all the well, there's a matching set of fingerprints essentially for all these crimes in the records books, you know. So I don't understand how we have gotten here where we are getting a claim that that all your children have gone to court, but you know, it's the same fingerprints. So do you have any clarifications for that, or are you just unaware?
I'm not in the medical field to know about fingerprints, but they're all, they're septuplets, so I don't know if they're all supposed to have
What the fuck?
But I don't know about
Oh my
Am I
God,
supposed to be-
Silly.
am I
It's
supposed
just
to be
getting
a doctor
worse.
too as a witness?
Your
Am I
Honor,
supposed to
I
be
will
able to
no,
say
ma'am.
that they are in the medical field.
ma'am.
They all
She's
have
Octomom.
relatively the same fingerprints, so because they are quadruplets, so it will be hard to identify which one is which.
So I would
Hard
like
but
to
not
also.
impossible, Your Honor.
It's not hard. They still have their own
Chat.
set of fingerprints. It's not identical, which again is what's
Open
showing
them
up in the
in the code book,
records.
Susan. You will see.
So the
No.
Hard
lawyer's
but
a
not
doctor too?
impossible.
Hey, order. Hey, stop addressing each other. In the case of like
Tell that
we're
to
talking about the
the
matching
Miss Alyssa over there.
fingerprints, I have to work based on the evidence in front of me, and the fingerprints say they are a match. I don't have fingerprints for the other ones in my hands right now. To clarify,
Just
this.
let that be known, jury. Also, my last question, ma'am, is if your children. So again, you go to court a lot because you have your court hat, correct? And you just like to sit behind a bunch of courts. You did make that in your previous statement, right?
I sure did, darling.
Right. So wouldn't it be more fulfilling as a statement to say, you know, because my kids have gone to jail so many times, again, there's 6 of them, they all had different dates, you know, how does that make any remote sense then? If you're saying I just go to court a lot, but it's not for my kids, right? So is it not actually happening, or are you just, again, ignoring your children? Because there's 2 things that you're telling me, as in. Sorry. I'm gonna pull back. Sorry about that, everybody.
What was that question?
The question
We're gonna
exactly
strike
is.
that question or reword it.
I do have a question relative
I'm
to
rewording
it.
that. Actually,
When I first started, I did ask you about your hat, you know, and I talked about the court hat, and you said, that that's not a designated court hat because you actually don't go to court that often, But I mean, with the record showing how many of your kids have gone to jail, does that not lead to the amount of times that you've been to court, even if for petty crimes at that point? If it was enough times for shoplifting, just a candy bar, even enough times, you would still have to go to court to dispute it, or not
No,
court.
I'm
Sorry,
not
court.
sure.
Yes, not jail.
I'm not sure you actually asked the question, but I did say that this is my court hat, and I go to court to just sit in the back, and not necessarily for my children. It's just in general. So is that what you're asking? Because I did say it was designated for court.
Yes, exactly that. But you were saying that it was to
And
sit in
why
the
are you
back for
saying
other
so
people's.
many times?
Ma'am, I haven't
Yes.
finished asking my question.
Mildred.
Thank you.
Please allow.
So, we were talking about how your hat, you sit in the back of the courtrooms for these cases, but apparently you're not sitting, I don't know, further up because it's your own children. I'm confused,
Where did you get that from? Is that a question? Your Honor, is this a question?
It is a question.
Yes.
Objection leading.
Yeah.
She
I
she
need
did
that
It's a
state
form of
this
question. You're
though.
telling me that you aren't wearing, you don't go to court often, but when you do, it's to sit in the back. But you didn't say that you wore this hat the other times that you've been to court for your other kids. I'm just confused because are you telling me that you haven't gone to court for those cases?
I never said that. I said, sir, what I said was, this is my designated court hat, which means when I step foot in a courtroom, I have my court hat on. I said that before. Is that person over there in the corner writing stuff down? Is there supposed to be somebody typing so they can repeat what I said? I said, this is my designated court hat. I wear it to court.
What is the hat?
Period. You tell them no joke.
Okay, yeah.
What's the relevance of the hat?
Look, my hat. They want to know I got it. Baby, I bought the hat from Shein.
Okay, let me just.
It's I bought it from Shein. You can buy one too.
Susan, your
Mildred.
turn. Your turn, Susan.
Okay,
It's
ma'am,
from
I have
Shein. You can get one too.
Okay, I appreciate
Ma'am,
that,
we're in a
One more
courtroom,
outburst,
please.
and I will just hold you in contempt. Just let them
Look,
move on to the
I
next
just-
question.
Ma'am, I have a single question left for you. It's mostly regarding age. If one of your children was arrested around 1983, as suggested from the
I
photo,
gotta
or in 84.
Sheehan, I can go ahead and send you the link if I need to, darling.
Mildred, enough with the hat. We're past
Order.
Ma'am,
Mildred, we moved on.
I-
We moved on.
It's
a
okay,
lovely hat.
Mildred.
It's okay. It's okay, ma'am. I'm just asking one more question that's not regarding the hat. So my question is around age. Your child is 45 years old, correct, as presented by the felony records.
Damn.
And my question is, if she was born around 84 with the rest of her siblings, did that mean one of her siblings got arrested around age 2 or 3 because one of the court records, not court records, but one of the things in the photos say that?
Exactly. That's what I tried to tell you earlier. That's what I
So
tried to tell
that's
you
what-
earlier. That's why I said I wasn't know about the dates, because one
Okay,
says
so the
84,
date-
my daughter was. Oh my, these are the same
Okay.
questions. I'm from now
Ma'am-
on. I'm just gonna play the fifth because you guys are asking me the same questions over and over
Mildred?
again.
Ma'am.
Your
Ma'am.
my heart,
Mildred.
my
Ma'am.
heart,
Order.
my
Mildred.
heart.
Oh,
Oh my God!
Enough. Please get this.
Oh my God!
Get down.
No.
We,
Get
My
down.
heart.
You're done.
My heart.
You're done.
My
You're
heart.
done. You're done. You're done. Yes.
Wait till I get this.
Mildred, are you okay?
Oh dear.
She did it! You did it!
Bailiff, please get her medical.
Oh my god.
I need my on-site medical team, please.
Hey, your heart! What's happening in your heart? Why would you be running around?
If
Why
she's
would
having
you
a
be running?
medical
Why would you?
emergency, I need someone to treat her.
We need order.
I can't
We
literally
need
have a
order.
medical emergency.
She won't see where she
Moving,
gets
Your
it
Honor.
from.
Stop moving.
Sillie's wild and her mother is wild too.
She's running around the courtroom.
Sillie's wild and her
She needs
mom's wild
medical
too. You see where she gets it from.
Ma'am.
It's
Ma'am.
hereditational. It's hereditational. It's hereditational. She's wild. The whole family's wild. Send them all to jail. To the gulag. Immediately. Immediately.
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor.
Nope. Sit down. No. Sit down.
Mildred, follow me over here.
Fucking
Over here.
dying.
With her before
I am done with this look. I really.
so sorry.
You're getting medical attention.
I'll just wait until the
Right
commotion
over
dies
here.
down.
Over here.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.
If she's done being a witness, she needs medical
I
attention.
know.
So here's
I know.
some
I
time
know.
of
I
my
feel
own.
so bad for her. I wasn't trying to pressure her like that, unfortunately. You know.
I'm checking. Your pulse
It's fine.
I know.
If something happens to your heart, you passed out. You don't run around. Just saying.
No, she needs to settle down. It could have been. It could have been like an anxiety attack or something.
She needs that Rambo.
She said
Yeah, I think
if
she
she
was
tries to
having
say
anxiety
anything to move up,
Unfortunately.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Everyone's against her. Everyone's against her.
All right, order in court. Order in court. Order in court. Everybody, order in court.
Order in the court.
Last part for
Please
the record.
silence, silence. Everybody in the back, silence. Get into the next scene.
Okay, I just want to make a quick statement as to why we were questioning her. Just very quickly for the jury. We say this as there is a clear misunderstanding with the photo and the actual records we have at hand. It's clear
think it's gonna
that
be a
it
day
is
3.
showing apparently the dates that the children were arrested. However, if they are sextuplets, as you know, Mildred has said, as they're all twins, unfortunately, then it doesn't make sense. Either Mildred is lying, or unfortunately, the photo has been fabricated by the plaintiffs even more than necessary because the ages are not matching. If you,
Your Honor, can I make a reply to that statement, please?
Please, yes. If you have an explanation,
I'm clear.
I do
I
have
can
a
explain.
I can clarify.
It's not.
I can clarify
It
very
is.
well.
Okay, can I just quickly explain this?
Yeah, finish
It
your
is
statement,
not.
Susan, please.
It is not the ages I'm talking about in the photo. Mildred say the oh my god, the plaintiffs explained that this was the ages they were arrested by during their other statement. If that is the case,
yes.
exactly. If that's the case, that means some of these children, if they are all twins, as Mildred has explained, was around 3 years old. It is just strange that this is being brought forward to the court.
Side is, if this is the years that they have all been arrested, there's a very strange explanation. There needs to be a very clear explanation of what's going on here, because if they are all born, if they were born as a set of 6, that does not make sense.
Can you elaborate on what you mean?
Why does it
Okay,
not
so
make
based
sense?
on your own statements,
Yeah, we want to get
These
an
are the
understanding
years.
of what you mean of why it doesn't make sense to you guys.
okay. So for example, we're saying Sildred is 45 according to these medical records, everything I have in evidence right now, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
The dates on this photo that was submitted as evidence are not birth years, they are arrest years.
Correct.
Then my question is going to be directly to you, the plaintiff, Sildred. Are you and all of your siblings the same age?
Sildren, honey, it's okay to. Sildren, honey, this question is directed to you.
My mom is
I'm not talking about your mom's age.
Answer
I'm trying to
plainly, you'll be
explain.
held in contempt.
Okay, go ahead.
My mom lives a nice street. So I wanted everyone to understand that some of those dates are not correct. I gave those dates to the court because I don't really talk to my sisters and I don't really know what dates they are arranged. So I'm the one who wrote them down. They could be very much be incorrect. I was really nervous about this court date because of the painkiller. So I think I might have botched a couple of police evidence with their
So
name.
let it be known, jury, that they're forging evidence and also a testimony from the mother.
It's a true picture, but it's just not the correct days.
Can we make a statement as well?
I will allow a statement, please.
Okay.
This evidence should be.
Can we do a recess after the statement? Or
Yeah, we'll make it. Yeah, we'll do a
let
5.
everybody
we'll take a 5.
reevaluate, get a little break.
I'm getting tired over here.
Yeah, because y'all need to get y'all act together.
So yes, it was very hard for the plaintiff and my client and me and Yuji to get exact dates from the courts because they've gone to jail on many separate occasions. And yes, my client has been on some medication that's been really affecting her state and her mind. So I would like to ask the court for some grace on that end. But yes, some of those dates may have been butched a little. They've all gone to jail on separate occasions. Let's just make that very clear to everybody.
And I am sympathetic to the pain and the medications that Sildred is in. However, due to the fact of her own admission that the dates were forged, we have to strike that evidence from the record.
And we will accept that. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's do a little recess.
We're going to take a brief recess. Get everyone just to calm down, feel together.
Go talk to your groups. Go talk to your groups. Come here, Dallas.
Go talk to
Come
your
here.
groups.
Come here.
Take your time. Thank you.
Come here.
Oh my.
Do I go with y'all or?
Oh, they're all playing.
One thing.
Mhm.
I'm starving.
Do I come with y'all or?
Like
you hungry?
An addict.
You can stay here. It's fine.
What'd
you say, Dallas? I'm
I
sorry.
think Mildred was on the stand way too long.
I think Mildred should have been on the stand.
Yeah, I don't know. Here's the thing. I understand the background story, but anybody could bring their mom. You know what I mean?
The thing is, even if you're doing a character witness to get people to feel for your person, you don't bring your parents.
I mean,
that's such a.
That's a low blow.
Also, isn't that a conflict of interest?
It is. It is.
It is. And
that's a big one. And then here's the thing. Not to interrupt, but she's up there giving conflicting information, and Silly has to go back and be like, "Well, no, that's not true. My mom would be, sipping, and she'd be tripping."
I might when you go back into court, I might just strike her entire witness testimony off record.
Honestly,
you need to.
Yeah. What?
Because it's just.
Oh, what are we in court for?
So you weren't here. You came back the same
No,
day.
no.
Oh, you nasty bitch. Oh, you nasty bitch. He got me banned. Oh my god, Twitch wants me to go on the front page, y'all.
Sorry if you hear cars in the back. I live in the Bronx. I don't know. I just sneezed like 100 times. Okay. Okay. Guys, make sure y'all buy y'all an Ella Ivy plushie. It is finally out. It is finally out. We sold 178 total. We are so close to we're so close to 180 units sold. And we're almost done with our, look, 89% in one day. We're almost done. If you haven't, guys, make sure the link is also in the bio if you're watching on TikTok. I am VC'd right now, so y'all gotta wait until the VC's done. Okay. Which day should I go on the front page? I'll probably do something next week. I'll do something next week. Oh. Oh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. How do I change it? Oh. I could do that. That's fine. Okay. Maybe, should I do June 1st? June 1st? June 1st is on a Monday. We could do that. I'll be back on the front page soon. Okay. I'll probably be back on the front page next week, chat. All right. Sorry, I had to write Twitch. Yeah, in June. June 1st. I'll be probably back on there. If it's not June 1st, it's sometime in that week. What did everyone eat for dinner? What did everyone eat for dinner? What did everybody eat for dinner? Bones? Okay. Chicken nuggets? Okay. Pizza? So how many cavities do you guys got? Which tooth hurts? I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Y'all judge me, so I'm gonna judge you. You got swollen gums? You need to go to the dentist. You're nasty as fuck. Dirty ass bitch. If I'm old, that asshole is spread to the extended... So why don't you go your way and I go mine? Live your life and I'll live mine. Alright, can y'all stop being nasty? After this VC, I should be able to come back in court. Let's see.
Because that was crazy, Silly.
Mildred's went to sleep. W. Mildred.
Yeah, she's 50. W. Mildred.
We love it. We love
W.
this.
Mildred. Y'all gonna act right in my court.
Thank you so much.
You're not gonna make no interruptions. You're gonna sit down.
And she
you're
did
gonna dress
she did better.
appropriately.
She did better with the rules than half of y'all. Y'all broke every rule. Y'all and that was her first time. Y'all can't do that. And you break rules too.
Wait, who broke a rule?
I'm not breaking the rules.
Yeah, you're the main one. You're you, princess.
Anthony,
You should have heard what she was going to come in here and say.
Here talking to me about the court case and stuff.
Anthony, shut up.
Oh my god. It's just been a
We're gonna make her first mommy Ivy leader role.
She's
period.
No,
Yes,
she performed really
she
well. I
better.
mean, she did her. That was a really great act.
She did.
I love that.
Wait, can I ask a question? What are we waiting for?
I believe plaintiff's side is still talking a little bit.
Okay, no, they're done. They're done talking. You want to leave? You want to leave?
Let's go ahead and.
Okay, I suggest
go
you
ahead
sit down.
and get back into court, guys.
Let's go. We're done. We're done. All right, let's continue on.
You're getting
I feel a mysterious camera presence looking at me. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Now you know how I
Hold on. You know I can't leave you hanging. Stay still. Hold on. Your lace is lifting. Hold on.
Oh, get that, yo, bro.
What?
Yo, go sit down. You stink.
I'm trying to help you.
Smile. Do a split on his desk for the whole time. Period.
Please don't. We just got the smell out of
Please
here.
don't. Right.
Smile went to sleep.
I'm gonna hold you in contempt. I'm gonna hold you in contempt. You better not.
If I want to get some spaghetti,
Yeah, you're bugging. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I curse? Wait, I think I cursed. Did I curse? I think I did. No. I think I did. Guys, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure you double tap, like, share the stream. I'm sorry I got VC twice, y'all. I'm sorry. Guys, I'm so hungry. I haven't ate all day. I'm so hungry. Bean, I'm not gonna get up and go get some food, okay? I know you think that's simple. It's not simple. Everybody here fucking stinks. I thought you was getting some canned fish. Y'all think y'all really funny until I shut this whole bitch off. Keep running your fucking mouth. You're at a fucking limit. Keep running your fucking mouth. Oh my god, you know what I want to watch? American Horror Stories. I want to watch it again, even though I watched it 100 times. Okay. I don't care. I don't care. When does the new season come out? I don't know. I don't know. Are you guys enjoying stream? Do you love being here with me? Yes, the court case will be something that's on stream. So just stay tuned and look for that. It will also be on my main YouTube page. Okay.
My shit, these ass too fat. He get hard when I sit on.
Smile. Smile, go to your messages. Ooh. Go to your messages.
6 element.
Soy sauce sounds small.
Water. Beep. Oh.
All right, y'all. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Hold on. I gotta hear this first. Give me 1 sec. Do y'all want me to tell y'all some tea tonight? Do y'all want some juicy tea tonight? Hold on. Hold on. Do y'all want some tea, ladies and gentlemen? Y'all not making enough noise. I'm dead serious. Like, y'all really want some tea? If you want this tea, you gotta let me know in the chat. Guys, this is really good tea. Like, this is really good tea. This is really good tea. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Chat, I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you want this tea, say yeah. Okay? Like, I need you to scream, what are you about to tell me? Okay? Oh my god. You have to spam the chat crazy though. Like, Like, the chat gotta go crazy, y'all. Like, the chat can't make no sense. Like, y'all gotta lose it. Y'all gotta, the energy gotta, like, I need y'all. Okay? All right. So, I do want to say that I've been working with a few people. And one of the people that I'm ready to set free from the nest. Hold on. This is too much. Oh my God. All right. I want to show y'all a trailer. I am going to send you the link to directly go support it on TikTok. That's one. Okay. I need y'all to go support it and show love because this is their first time and this is their first time premiering. All right. Smile will be streaming and he will be starting a series that you guys can audition for. And I want y'all to do me a favor before we start the trailer is go follow Smile on Twitch. Go follow Smile on Twitch right now. The link is in the chat. Okay. Ooh, I probably broke the Nightbot. Sorry. Okay, I want y'all to follow him on Twitch. Okay. That is the first thing. And I want y'all to see the trailer for
Here's the release date.
I will say that once the auditions are done, we will have an actual release date on when he decides to stream it, which is very soon. But I do want to show y'all his trailer that he worked on. Okay, wait, wrong one? Okay. Yeah, I unmuted it. It's fine. Send it to me. Wait, I'm not going to do the first one. You don't want to, I think you should do the second one. I like the second one. What do you mean? Okay, so give me the one with the song, Smile. Give me the one with the song. I want to show you the trailer for his new series. Do y'all want to know what his series is called? Or you want to wait till the end of the trailer? I do want to let y'all also know that Smile will not be the only Ivy leader who is venturing out. I'm building a network. And Smile is one of the debut ones that will be coming out. You could be expecting Tappy, Bean, Sillie, who else? UG, Sloppy, and Dallas. They will also be venturing out, and we are building an Ivy network where when I'm not live, they will have a series dedicated to their characters' lore for you guys, okay? So when I'm not live, some of them might be live in the morning. Some of them might be live in the middle of the afternoon. There will be nonstop Ivy content, but it's in their own way, in their own version, and you're able to support them, whether it's streaming or their Discord, their community. Their rules is their rules. Their world is their world. Will you see me a part of some of their series? Some of them I will be a feature. Like, say Sillie wanted to do a university and she's the director. I mean, the dean. I could be a student. Dallas, if he wants any, I'm not going to be the power role in their series any like how I am in my world, because this is Ella's world. I play more of the leader roles and the cameraman. But everyone else is going to make their own unique series. And like I said, I'm going to announce people little by little. And you're probably wondering, well, what's going to happen to you, Ella? I am going to be making challenges and big, big events for my streamers now. Okay? So when all is said and done, you guys will eventually come back to me for these big awards, for these big events, for these challenges that I create for them. Competition. It's a network now. Okay? Hold hold on. This is the trailer and debut for Smiles' new series. And if you guys want to audition, I'm going to put the link for... Please, can y'all join... Can you join Smiles' Discord? Can y'all do that for me real quick? Here. Can y'all join his Discord? I put the link in there. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Can y'all join? Join Smiles' Discord right motherfucking now and show him nothing but love, because Smile has done so much for this community and we love him so much, and he's an amazing person and I love him. He's one of my favorite people in the world. I really do, and I want him to make some motherfucking money, and I want y'all to see how creative he is on his own. Okay? So make sure y'all go support an amazing person. And if you want to, who's going to try to audition? When y'all see his series and what series he's creating, y'all are going to die laughing. And he's worked really hard, y'all. He's been working his ass off. Okay? Serrated, I was going to ask you, maybe help him with age verification because he doesn't have moderators. He will be looking for moderators as well. Another question I know you bitches love to know. What if you banned me from the Discord? Can I go... This is his space. If I banned you, you're just a weird bitch in my world. He gonna have to find out if you a weird bitch on his terms. Okay? I don't give a fuck if somebody's banned from my community and they go to other people's communities. Let him do what the fuck he want to do. Stop! That's his world. That's his rules. Okay? Stop! Okay? Did y'all follow him on Twitch too? And did y'all join? Please join his Discord. Here's his Discord link. Discord link for Smile, okay? This is Smile's link, okay? Can you stop or I'm gonna leave the server? Stop, Dallas. Stop being a little dick. All right. So we're going to, like I said, the main people that will start off, that doesn't mean other Ivy leaders won't be able to stream. We're starting off slow because we don't want to fuck up certain viewerships for me or other people. If I drop everyone's social media right now, it's a bit overwhelming and you guys are going to scatter. Sillie is the first person that we are Sillie. That's my girl too. We gonna hook her up. Smile is the first person that we are branching out with his series. And then the next person that I do want to eventually bring in is Sillie. And then UG series. UG's working on his series. Sloppy's working on his series. And you guys will now be able to be a part of different, you know what I realized? I'm like, damn, nobody really does what I do. But if I build a network or a community of people who can go watch them or support them in this manner, in this way, I don't mind it. You know why? Because there's going to be moments where I can't show up, y'all. I work a lot. Not necessarily like I'm going to stop streaming, but I do a lot outside of this. And I know how much you guys love roleplay. And I want there to be other options and opportunities. Bean will definitely be doing a series as well. Smile, I'm gonna play this video, okay? Are y'all ready to watch the premiere of Smiles? All links will be in the Discord too, so if you don't see them, I will put all Smiles links in the Discord. Are you guys ready to see the premiere trailer for Smiles' new series that you guys will be able to audition? Yes, you have to age verify. All right, let's watch.
Well, I guess you're wondering why I'm here. My name is Smile, and ever since being in House of Ivy, I've realized I've had an empty space in my heart for a long time. I've been in love multiple times before, but it just never seemed to be the right fit. And it just made me realize that I needed to focus on myself and that these men truly didn't deserve me. They only wanted me for my body. And, I know I'm super thick, but it's not fair. So for that reason, I will be starting a show to find the true love of my life called Princess, Do You Love Me? Here's the release date. Boy, do you love me? Love me. love me, yeah. Feed me. Do you really love me? Grab me. Boy, tell me, do you love me, yeah. I know you want it. If you really love me, then love me. Love me, yeah. Tell me, do you love me?
The trailer will also be dropped on his TikTok page. Please drop that TikTok trailer, Smile, on TikTok so I could send them the link so they could go support it. Do that now so I could put the link in, okay? Send it to me on TikTok, your TikTok link, so they could show love to the actual video. It is a dating show, but it's not real. It's fake role play, all right? And I think that it's very appropriate. He's 20 years old. It's, you know, it's different with me. I would never do something like that, but this is his content and this is his world. And you guys are going to be able to see more lore outside of House of Ivy for Smile and some of the Ivy leaders. Is it only men or can it be women? That's up to Smile once again. He does want Scar to be a part of it. He does want he wants a few people to be a part of it. So, like I said, if you guys want to try out for his show, it's all for roleplay and fun. Make sure y'all join his Discord, which is pinned to my page. Okay? Scar! Scar, you gotta do it for him. Jebediah should apply. Oh, hell no. I will say Smile has worked so hard this past week. I'm so proud of him and I can't wait till he starts streaming. He's really been busting his ass. And also shout outs to Tappy. She's such the biggest, kindest, helpful person ever. She's literally helped us so much with editing or concepts or creative ideas. So once again, Tappy, I love you so much for everything that you're creative Capricorn ass. That's my sister, y'all. And I cannot wait till we start premiering the other Ivy leaders. And like I said, they will be live at different times. So I'll be live at the end, the same time. I'm not changing, 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Some of them will stream in the morning. Like Sillie'S gonna be a little bit more available than most of them, she says. So she'll stream like any day or any time. So that works really well. Sillie'S gonna have her own series. And I don't want to tell y'all all the stuff that we've been working on for the past few weeks, but yeah, I really do hope you guys are y'all gonna apply for Smile. Smile's gonna have he's so creative, y'all. You should have saw how when we were creating the song, how like I was telling him, because when he first created the song, he did it real manly. I don't know his voice. He was like, "Do you love me?" I'm like, no, go real cute with it. Be like, "Do you love me? Do you want me? Just chase me." You know, like, and he ate it up. He mastered. He did it in like one try. Like he did it like, and then he edited all his pictures. And he edited his last trailer. I do want to show that other trailer, but you should post it on TikTok. Post it on TikTok tomorrow. Okay. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I gotta help him. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So you click the plus sign in the middle. Okay. You click the icon on the bottom left. It should show all the videos. You put your clip in. You press next. Okay. And yeah. I gotta help you with everything. Hold on, let me join back in. Yes, when guys, I promise y'all everything will have an announced date, just like Smile.
Smile, sweetie. Do you mind having a seat in the jury spot?
I hold on, guys. I hold on. I do want to probably do a day 3 on this because I have to finish with Smile's promotion. And okay. I know y'all wanted to continue it, but I have to finish that. Thank you guys for everything. I will do day 3, okay? Which is perfectly fine, guys. It's what is going on? Am I the only one that sees that? He has no
No,
hair.
yeah, you just got bigger.
No, he has no hair. Look at my stream.
So bad. You look bad. Wait.
Did you just not get bigger?
If we're gonna do a day 3,
No stream, you're done.
why are you moving so much?
Wait, really?
Are we playing tag?
Okay.
You look
So,
good.
if we're doing a third
IRL.
day, I feel like there should no longer be any more new evidence made past today.
Yeah. We have to continue.
there's
Please,
no
can
more.
we
There's no more.
remember?
No more submitted evidence.
This
We can
is it.
reference
This
old
is it.
evidence.
No more new.
Cause I love y'all.
What about the
Can I-
witnesses?
No, it's
What
okay.
about
It's
the
okay.
witnesses?
We'll do
We
that.
don't have any more
Everything's
We
gonna
can
be
bring-
final
that we
tomorrow.
have that we were going to present today
Yeah.
is the end.
Yeah,
Oh,
because I was like,
Ella,
why don't you
Ella.
make something else? But I was like, nah, I shouldn't do that. We should keep it the way it is now.
Okay.